Today we are reviewing Krups coffee grinder. Pouring our coffee in there. Get this on there. Here's the coffee that we're using in this. Caldi's coffee. This is their 700. But very finely ground, as you can see. Nothing like the smell of fresh ground coffee. I'm gonna get around the rating with this, guys. I'm giving this item a 9 out of 10. Very, very good. Coffee grinder. But I'm not going to give a coffee grinder ever a 10 out of 10 because it's a coffee grinder. But it's very reasonable for the price. If I remember right, I paid about 10 to 15 bucks for this, around there, somewhere around there. But very cheap on the price. Very good quality. Grounded up the coffee real good. I might have to grind it again because there is a couple in there still that I didn't grind real good. But thanks for watching, guys. And go to your local shelter today and adopt a pit bull or a pit bull rescue center, guys, and God bless.